Good evening, everybody. Welcome to A to O Handyman. If you're new here, please subscribe, like, and share my video. We're going to talk about mounting some subwoofers in a speaker box that I built. And I'm not a professional. This is probably my fourth or fifth build on a speaker box, but they turned out pretty good. But the issue is every time that it scared me. Every time that I make the hole, set my subwoofers in the box, and then I just use wood screws to put the speakers in, well, I end up with 40 or 50 holes because maybe I blown one. And for you guys to say, well, I don't blow speakers, well, grab your toys and go sit in the truck. Grown-ups are talking right now. If you ain't blowed no speaker, you ain't loud enough. So I'm just saying. But anyways, you know how it is. You drill a hole with a screw, and it just, especially in MDF, it just don't hold. But I've got something here that really I've used on my last box that I had. I'm still using that box, but I'm taking it out because I built me two new ones. But these are Easy Lock, and that part number is 801024-10. They come in 50. The internal threads is a 1024. It's 10 millimeters long, and it takes a 9/32 drill bit. And so I'm gonna show y'all right there. And what I do, I set my speaker in there where I want it, and then I take my little set punch right here. This little dude right here makes this little clicky thing, and it knocks a hole in there so you can get right on it. I drill that hole out, and then I take some of this Gorilla Glue and I put around the threads and drill the easy thread down in that hole. And then I take a piece of sandpaper and I sand that off right there. Right, let's see if I can get you over here. Right there. I'm gonna sand that little nipple off. I wish I could get the camera to turn around, but it won't do it because of the video. But anyways, I'm gonna try to do this one-handed and show y'all what I was talking about. And these are the threaded bolts. Let me get it up here where you can see it. They're just a BHSS 1024 .01-50. It's a button head socket screw. Come from China, of course. And of course our glue is stopped up, so we're gonna get that out of there. But anyways, let me set y'all down just for a second. You can see my forehead. I'll try to put it right here where you can see it. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on here. Oop. And what that does is it just helps hold it in there because I don't want it to come out. And I'm gonna take that and make sure it's evenly upright. And I'm not gonna go all the way through it. Get it down there just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take my sandpaper, glue and all. And there you go. And I'm going to do that all the way around. But I just thought that was a good little tip. That way you can take your speaker in and out. You can change them out. Maybe you need to do something on it. Who knows? I mean, maybe you just want to clean the trash out of your box because believe me, a subwoofer box will suck some air. Hold a piece of paper up in front of the port and see what happens. But anyways, I just wanted to share the little bit of information. When you're drilling them holes, use you a drill block because I've been drilling holes for many years, and one of these went in crooked. But it'll still work. I already checked it. But to get it straight up and down, use you a drill block and take your time and do it. I mean, I want these boxes in my truck so bad, it's unreal. But I kind of show y'all here a little bit. If you can see in there. Let me turn your slide on. There we go. But I got some new speaker wire, some real big speaker wire, and I'm going to redo it all. I'm going to do it right. Maybe I can set up a video when I build this box for the 412s that are going in the bed. We're doing a blow through on a F-150 pickup. My sweet little ride. I love it. I love to hate it. You don't want to be in Oklahoma and driving one of them. I can tell you that right now. But anyways, thank y'all for watching. Take it as you need it. We'll see y'all. Holla.